We've got an exciting video lined up for you. Easy home improvement in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these tips will surely spruce up your living space without breaking the bank. First up, let's talk about the latest smart home upgrades. From voice-activated lights to AI-powered thermostats, these futuristic additions will not only make your life easier, but also add a touch of modernity to your home. We'll explore some affordable options and installation tips. For those who love a quick makeover, we've got some stylish decor hacks. Discover the latest trends, budget-friendly accessories, and how to arrange them to give your space a fresh, updated look. You don't need a big budget to make a big impact. Say goodbye to clutter with our functional storage solutions. Explore innovative storage ideas that maximize space and keep your home organized. Whether you're dealing with a small apartment or a spacious house, these tips are a game changer. There you have it. Easy home improvement in 2024. We hope these tips inspire you to transform your living space into a stylish, functional haven. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more home improvement content.